Schindler. Huh, not expecting that actually. Pretty much everything here is either Montgomery or Kone. And or Kone. I guess Schindler scored a contract here. You can't escape 330As, can you? Unless you leave America. Wow. You know, I bet this thing's... I wonder if the jack is... Oh my god, geez, I gotta take the flashlight off this gigantic keyring. This is a little unwieldy. I wonder where the jack is. Because why is this part so thick? Who knows? A mystery it is. Anyway, up to 3. Oh, it's angry now. We're gonna face the 330A's wrath, which consists of it beeping and closing the door slowly. Carlsson Hall. Yeah, definitely not as interesting as Sorensen.